Well, I've gotten it to this point. I've been mocking everything up, measuring everything out, and taking level here and there. It's hard to get this thing to, to be level everywhere. It's a nightmare. It's been so cut up, it's just hard to get everything back squared away. But it's coming around. I got all my holes lined back up. Got all this fitting flush. These holes lined up. Using extensions to line the holes up. Got my firewall in. Got it seated flush against the rails. It's looking pretty good so far. Still a lot of welding to be done. But it is a